Greetings, entrepreneurs and citrus enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a journey into the world of orange juice production in Africa. With oranges being abundant and cherished across the continent, there's a ripe opportunity to tap into the market and build a successful business. Join us as we explore the machinery, marketing strategies, and innovative technologies needed to launch a thriving orange juice production line. Let's squeeze out every drop of potential. But before I ask you to subscribe, like, and share, we publish this kind of video every week, so hit the notification bell and let go. Let's start by uncovering the machinery and equipment required to establish your orange juice production line. From fruit processing to packaging, here's what you need to get started. Fruit washing and sorting system. The first step in the production process is cleaning and sorting the oranges. Invest in a fruit washing and sorting system that removes dirt, debris, and defective fruits while ensuring optimal hygiene and food safety. Look for features such as adjustable water jets, gentle brushing mechanisms, and advanced sorting algorithms to minimize waste and maximize yield. Juice extraction machine. Once the oranges are washed and sorted, it's time to extract the juice. Choose a high-capacity juice extraction machine that efficiently separates the juice from the pulp and seeds. Consider options such as hydraulic presses, centrifugal juicers, or cold press systems, depending on your production volume and juice quality requirements. Opt for stainless steel construction and easy-to-clean designs to maintain hygiene and sanitation standards. Pasteurization and packaging equipment. After extraction, the juice needs to be pasteurized to ensure microbial safety and prolong shelf life. Invest in pasteurization equipment such as heat exchangers or flash pasteurizers that heat the juice to the required temperature while preserving its flavor and nutritional value. Once pasteurized, the juice can be packaged using filling machines, bottle rinsers, cappers, and labelers. Choose packaging materials and formats that align with consumer preferences and market trends, such as PET bottles, Tetra Paks, or pouches. Now that we've covered the machinery, let's explore marketing strategies to promote your orange juice business and drive sales. Brand storytelling. Craft a compelling brand narrative that highlights the freshness, quality, and nutritional benefits of your orange juice. Share stories about the journey from orchard to bottle, emphasizing your commitment to sustainability, community empowerment, and responsible sourcing. Use authentic storytelling to connect with consumers on an emotional level and differentiate your brand in a crowded market. Sampling and in-store promotions. Offer free samples of your orange juice at supermarkets, grocery stores, and farmers markets to attract potential customers and encourage trial purchases. Host in-store promotions, tastings, and demonstrations to engage with consumers, educate them about your product, and showcase its superior taste and quality. Provide promotional offers, discounts, and bundle deals to incentivize purchases and drive sales. Digital marketing and e-commerce. Leverage digital channels such as social media, websites, and online marketplaces to reach a wider audience and drive online sales. Create engaging content, including recipe videos, health tips, and user-generated content, to showcase the versatility and benefits of your orange juice. Utilize targeted advertising, influencer partnerships, and online promotions to amplify your brand message and attract customers. In addition to traditional marketing approaches, consider leveraging innovative technology strategies to enhance your competitiveness in the African market. Cold chain logistics. Implement cold chain logistics solutions to maintain the freshness and quality of your orange juice during transportation and storage. Invest in refrigerated trucks, cold storage facilities, and temperature monitoring systems to ensure that the juice remains at the optimal temperature throughout the supply chain. By preserving the sensory attributes and nutritional value of your juice, you can build trust with consumers and establish your brand as a premium choice in the market. Smart packaging solutions. Explore smart packaging technologies such as QR codes, NFC tags, or augmented reality, AR, labels to enhance consumer engagement and provide valuable information about your orange juice. Enable consumers to access product details, origin information, and nutritional facts by scanning the packaging with their smartphones. Incorporate interactive features such as recipe suggestions, health tips, or sustainability stories to create a unique and memorable user experience. Data analytics and consumer insights. Harness the power of data analytics and consumer insights to understand market trends, consumer preferences, and purchasing behaviors. Utilize data analytics tools and techniques to analyze sales data, track consumer feedback, and identify emerging opportunities in the market. Leverage consumer insights to tailor your product offerings, marketing messages, and promotional strategies to meet the evolving needs and preferences of your target audience. Let's kick things off by delving into the machinery and equipment essential for establishing your orange juice production line. From orchard to glass, here's what you'll need to make it happen: juice extraction and filtration equipment. Once the oranges are prepped, it's time to extract the liquid gold. Choose cutting-edge juice extraction equipment such as hydraulic presses or cold-press juicers that can efficiently extract juice while preserving its natural flavors and nutrients. Pair this with advanced filtration systems to remove pulp, seeds, and impurities, resulting in a smooth and refreshing juice. Pasteurization and packaging. Solutions, safety, and quality are paramount in the juice industry. Invest in modern pasteurization equipment that heats the juice to the right temperature, killing harmful bacteria while maintaining freshness and taste. Then, package your juice using innovative packaging solutions that prolong shelf life and enhance convenience. Consider options like eco-friendly cartons, PET bottles, or pouches with tamper-evident seals for maximum consumer appeal. With the machinery in place, let's turn our attention to marketing strategies to promote your orange juice and drive sales. Storytelling and brand identity. Every juice has a story, and yours is no exception. Craft a compelling brand narrative that highlights your commitment to quality, sustainability, and community. Share the journey of your oranges from orchard to glass, emphasizing your dedication to ethical sourcing, responsible production practices, and environmental stewardship. Invite consumers to be part of your story and connect with your brand on a deeper level. Experiential marketing and sampling events. Get up close and personal with your customers by hosting experiential marketing events and sampling activations. Set up juice bars at farmers markets, festivals, and community events where people can taste your refreshing creations firsthand. Create engaging experiences such as juice blending workshops or citrus-themed games to captivate audiences and leave a lasting impression. Digital engagement and social media campaigns. Leverage the power of social media and digital marketing to reach a wider audience and foster meaningful connections with consumers. Create visually stunning content showcasing your orange juice, including mouth-watering photos, recipe videos, and behind-the-scenes glimpses of your production process. Engage with your audience through interactive polls, contests, and user-generated content to build excitement and loyalty around your brand. In addition to traditional marketing approaches, consider leveraging innovative technology strategies to gain a competitive edge. Blockchain. Traceability, transparency is key in today's food industry. Implement blockchain technology to provide consumers with a transparent view of your supply chain, from orchard to glass. Utilize blockchain-enabled platforms to trace the journey of each orange, highlighting key milestones such as harvesting, processing, and distribution. Build trust with consumers by demonstrating your commitment to traceability, authenticity, and product integrity. And there you have it, folks. With the right machinery, marketing strategies, and innovative technologies, you're well equipped to launch a successful orange juice production line business in Africa. By providing fresh, nutritious, and delicious orange juice to consumers, You're not just building a business, you're nourishing communities and contributing to a healthier, happier future. Do not forget that the Invest in Africa Now channel can help you build a successful orange juice factory in Africa. We will help you with high machine quality selection and setting up of your factory from A to Z. We have much experience within this industry, and we will also help train you and your staff. So contact us on the WhatsApp number that shows on this video description. Thanks for joining us on this zestful journey, and until next time, may your glasses be filled with sunshine and your business be filled with success.